Correa reflexa, commonly known as Native Fuchsia, is a beautiful evergreen shrub native to Australia. With its charming tubular flowers and glossy foliage, it is a popular choice for gardeners looking to add color and texture to their landscapes. This comprehensive guide will provide you with all the necessary information on how to successfully grow and care for Correa reflexa in your garden. Planting. Climate. Correa reflexa thrives in temperate to cool climates. It is best suited for USDA hardiness zones 8 to 11. Soil. It prefers well-draining soil that is slightly acidic to neutral. Amending heavy clay soil with organic matter can improve drainage. Sunlight. Correa reflexa performs best in partial shade to full sun. It can tolerate a range of light conditions but may have reduced flowering in deep shade. Propagation. It can be propagated from seeds or cuttings. If starting from seeds, sow them in a seed tray and keep them moist until germination. Cuttings can be taken from semi-hardwood stems and rooted in a well-draining potting mix. Watering. Establishment. Water Correa reflexa regularly after planting until the roots are well established. Aim to keep the soil consistently moist, but avoid overwatering, as it can lead to root rot. Watering frequency. Once established, Native Fuchsia is relatively drought tolerant. Water deeply and infrequently, allowing the topsoil to dry out slightly between watering sessions. During extended dry periods, provide supplemental irrigation. Pruning and maintenance. Pruning. Correa reflexa generally requires minimal pruning. Remove any dead, damaged, or diseased branches as they appear. Light shaping can be done after flowering to maintain a neat and compact form. Fertilization. Native Fuchsia is not heavy feeders, but an annual application of a balanced slow-release fertilizer in early spring can promote healthy growth and flowering. Mulching. Apply a layer of organic mulch around the base of the plant, leaving space around the stem to prevent rot. Mulching helps conserve moisture, suppress weeds, and improve soil fertility. Diseases. Native Fuchsia is generally resistant to diseases. However, it may be susceptible to root rot if grown in poorly drained soil. Ensure proper soil drainage to prevent this issue. Landscaping uses. Borders and hedges. Correa reflexa can be used as a striking border or hedge plant due to its compact growth habit and attractive flowers. Container gardening. It is well suited for growing in containers on patios or balconies. Choose a large pot with good drainage and provide regular watering and fertilization. Wildlife gardens. The tubular flowers of Correa reflexa attract nectar-feeding birds, making it an excellent addition to wildlife-friendly gardens. Correa reflexa, or Native Fuchsia, is a versatile and visually appealing shrub that adds beauty and charm to any garden. By following the guidelines provided in this comprehensive guide, you can successfully grow and care for Correa reflexa, ensuring its health, vigor, and abundant flowering. Enjoy the colorful tubular blooms and glossy foliage of this native Australian plant, and create a stunning landscape that attracts both gardeners and wildlife alike.